In my last video, I showed you how to determine whether or not your phone has been damaged by water or has water damage. We used this little blue brand cell phone as a demonstration of how to detect the water damage by looking for this little red sticker, which will actually be a white sticker if it's not water damaged. But if you do have water damage, then your sticker is going to be red, and it's going to be somewhere inside the back of your phone generally. In this particular case, it's on the battery. So, if you need more information on determining whether or not you're suffering from water damage, then you can check out my previous video explaining that in more detail. But today we're going to be tearing this thing down and looking under the microscope to try to see if we can figure out what exactly got short-circuited or corroded or burned up and see if we can replace it. So, let's get started. Alright, well, we've got the phone taken apart now. Let me grab the microscope and we will take a closer look. But I'm pretty sure I can already see the issue. If not, I can already see at least one issue. Hang on just a second. Okay, so I'm going to put this under the microscope and we will switch to the microscope view and take a closer look. Okay, so now we are in the microscope view, obviously. And we're going to go around and look. I can pretty much see now that I have the back of the phone off where the issues are. So I'm going to take you over there and spare you from having to look all over the phone, pretending like I'm looking for a problem. There's the camera. Bear with me because I'm trying to, I've got the microscopes backwards and cameras backwards and everything from my point of view. So let's see, it seems to be right there, which is in, if you look down at the bottom right of your screen, you can see that that's in the top left corner of the phone. I don't know what that was. Maybe it was some kind of soda or something, but that's definitely our problem. You can see lots of corrosion and maybe even something that's melted in there, but we're gonna have to clean it off to find out. And I actually notice now, if you look at the back of the phone case, or the inside of the phone case, I guess, you can kind of see there's like some gummy residue in there, some kind of soda or something. Anyway, I've got here some 91% alcohol and a few Q-tips, and we're going to try to clean this thing off and see if we can bring it back to life. So I've just put some alcohol in the Q-tip here, and I'm just going to try to clean it. Okay, move the microphone out of the way. I'm going to pop this thing back together. I'm not going to screw it back together because I want to see if it's going to work before we go too far with this. Don't forget your little buttons. And I don't remember if I said it in this video or the last, But this is not a tutorial on how to fix water damage in this particular phone. I mean, maybe it works for this phone, but I want this to be sort of a guide on what to look for if you have water damage in your device, or you suspect that you have water damage, what to look for and what you can do to solve it, because that's the real goal here. Because all of these phones, all phones in general, are just electronic devices with a battery, and they're susceptible to water damage. So when water damages one, it's the same kind of repair. So we're going to pop this battery in, and I'm going to hold the power button and hope. Oh, the screen just flashed. See that? I wonder if it needs a charge. Let me grab the charger. Like I was saying before, it wouldn't do that at all. It wouldn't come on, it wouldn't do anything. So that's a bit exciting for me in itself. You can believe me or you don't have to. I don't really care. Oh my God, look at it. It's charging. Ha! Wow. Kind of surprised myself with that one. Okay. So, I'm going to fast forward for a minute and let it charge, and then we'll turn it on and make sure it works. Oh, she's going to be excited. Well, that was easy. I didn't even have to cut. We're at 11%. Oh no. This charger's a little bit loose. Oh man. Wow. Got one game on it. Oh Lord. Did not miss that. Anyway. The phone works. This is that surprised me. Okay. Well, I guess that wraps up the video. So I'm kind of surprised, pleasantly surprised, of course, that the thing actually worked. Most of my videos, I really expect it to work because it's something like a phone screen repair or something that I really know how to do. And this was kind of going out on a limb. I know my way around electronics, but I was really hoping that it would just be a simple fix once you get the phone torn down and you can actually get into it. And it worked out, so that's pretty awesome. I'll definitely be trying that in the future if I have any more water damage issues. And you should try it too. That took no soldering or anything. It took a little bit of alcohol and some Q-tips. If you can take out a little screwdriver and take your phone apart, then you can probably repair the water damage. So don't throw away your $1,000 device or your $50 device in this case when you can do a simple repair like that. So I appreciate you hanging in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you get more great content. And leave a comment below if you think there's something I should have done different. Thanks for watching.